Namaskar, Namaste. Hello everyone, welcome to Amul Facebook Live, simple homemade recipes. I am Ivy Boys, a YouTuber from Meghalaya, Shillong. Now my YouTube channel name is What's Cooking in Ivy's Kitchen. I can't see the
132.
Hi everyone, welcome everyone to Amul Facebook Live, simple homemade recipe. I am Ivy Boys, a YouTuber with the channel name What's Cooking in Ivy's Kitchen. Now today is my 7th feature on this immensely popular platform, and I feel indebted to you all my viewers, without which this was not possible. Now I'm also grateful and thankful to a few persons from Amul of course, the entire team of Amul, but I should at least name a few of them, and that is Ishanji. I'm really very thankful to you. Anytime I keep on, irrespective of time, I just keep on calling him and he says yes, it's possible. And thank you so much for all the support from Amul, the taste of India. And I'm also, I'm also thankful to you viewers for joining me live from my first feature on Amul. So with the blazing summer across the country, the sweltering heat, makes us feel like binging on something which is cool and refreshing. So here I am back with another dessert. Yes, it is a cold dessert from What's Cooking in Ivy's Kitchen, and it is creamy mango brulee. I'll just look at the comments before I start. Pretty Punjabi, hello madam. Hi, dessert, yes Kavita ji, it's a dessert. It's also a cold dessert, perfect for summer, refreshing and cool. Hi Vanchana. Hi Chandrasekhar ji. Welcome. So yes, I have a few things ready for you all, to show you all. I'm super delighted to share yet another dessert recipe with you all my viewers. Now you can see these are the recipe, ingredients which we'll require. It's a very easy dessert. I'm just telling you, it's a super easy dessert, but yet very luscious and delicious, and with a fruit component, which by now I think you all have realized it's a mango, creamy mango brulee, and we'll be using mangoes. I have already cut a few mango slices, 3 or it's a medium sized. So we all know how to cut mangoes. It is easier when you slice it this side, this way. So the pit is also removed. So now what I'm going to do is, now my dear viewers, if there are any queries, okay, please feel free to ask me. I would love to answer them. How many people have joined?
95.
Now mango is actually, I think we all know, is our national fruit. It is also the national fruit of Pakistan and Philippines. Now besides its luscious, taste and sweetness, mango is a powerhouse of nutrients. Now nutrients like vitamin C, other vitamins like vitamin B1, B2, B3, B6, zinc, calcium, fiber and vitamin A, now which is very important for our well-being, and it's also important to boost our immune system, which is so important now during the crisis. Anything? Can you all hear me? Can you all hear me? Now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to make cubes, mango cubes. Okay, now to save time, so that I can, chat with you all. So that's what I have already sliced the mangoes. Now washing hands, very important. Alpha Adnani ji, hi everyone. Thank you for once again for joining me live on Simple Homemade Recipe Amul Facebook Live. Hi Ina Hazarika. Thank you everyone. So now what we are going to do is, I have already cubed the mangoes. Now, yeah, so this becomes easier, okay, and less messy because mango is very fleshy. Now this way I find it very easy and less messier. Okay, so we'll just collect the cubes in a bowl. Now at the same time, we should be careful that the peel, no amount of the peel goes inside the bowl. You can also use a spoon, whatever way is simpler for you. Now everyone, I feel, creme brulee is one of the most, favorite recipes, dessert recipes. So I thought, inspired by the mango season now, I thought why not also add the, mango component to it and make it more delicious and nutritious. Any queries? Now the size does not matter because we are going to layer it with the creamy layer, so size does not matter. But if you are a perfectionist, yeah, it's good if you can make the cubes of the same size. Even I am indebted to Manuji from Amul. Without his support, all these features would have been impossible as well. Okay, so we are done with the mango cubes. Sorry about the noise. Okay, now this, we'll just keep it covered so that no flies fall on it. Now, we'll make the creamy layer. Any doubts? Shamu bhai, hello ji. Okay. Hello. Ladi ji, hello ji. Preeti, what is your YouTube name? Preeti ji, the name of my YouTube channel is What's Cooking in Ivy's Kitchen. Now, to just tell you briefly about my YouTube channel, it has a lot of traditional recipes from the Northeast because I am one from the Northeast, and it also has a lot of traditional recipes with twist. Besides, very different, unique recipes. You do have a look at it, and I'm sure you're going to fall in love with my recipes as well. It's called What's Cooking in Ivy's Kitchen. IVEES, Ivy's Kitchen. Mita Jane J, hello. So now what we are going to do is, we will make the creamy part. Now for this, I have cream cheese. Now this is half a cup of cream cheese. If you do not have cream cheese, you can also use fresh fresh paneer, which you can make from Amul Taza or Amul Gold milk. Now in that case, what you have to do is, fresh paneer will also do, but when the process of making paneer, after that, before you hang the paneer, to remove the extra moisture, what you need to do is you have to wash it with water so that that smell, that tangy smell is not there. Okay, or you can also use ricotta cheese. not an issue. I'm using cream cheese. This is half a cup of cream cheese. Then to it, I'll add, this is hung curd. This is 1/4 cup of hung curd. Now for hung curd, this is my cup measuring 1/4 of a cup. Now for hung curd, what I have done is I have used Amul Masti Dahi, and it, you know, I have hang it in my kitchen towel, clean kitchen towel for 2 hours, not more than that, because we don't want the hung curd to be dry. Meenakshi ji, hello. I joined it. No problem. I had just started with my delicious dessert recipe. What is the name of the recipe? Meenakshi ji, the name of the recipe is creamy mango brulee. I know everyone likes to have creme brulee. Now this is inspired with the mango season in mind, you know. So the name of the recipe, Meenakshi ji, is creamy mango brulee. Okay, so I have just started. I have cubed the mangoes. Now I'm, which I have, we'll use it later on. Now what I have done is I have added half a cup of cream cheese, then 1/4 cup of Amul Masti hung curd. Now for hung curd, I have used Amul Masti Dahi. Now it comes in 400 gram. Now you will get, out of that, you'll get around 300 gram of the hung curd. You know, I have hung the curd for 2 hours, not more than that. Okay, so this we will whisk it. We want it to be mixed properly. I love the knife you're using. Yeah. Vinita Boraji, yes, I am from Shillong. Actually, I am an Assamese who stays in Shillong. And for us, we call it, yes, this is a traditional knife of the Khasis, the tribes of of Meghalaya uses. It is called Tari, and we call it Kotari. Now this is very, very handy, and it's very sharp too. We should be careful. Okay, now getting back to the recipe, what we'll do is carefully we'll whisk it. Savita ji, hello. Thank you for joining everyone. Vidya ji, ma'am, which curd? Now for the curd, this is hung curd. I'm using hung curd, and I'm using Amul Masti Dahi, which I have, hanged in my kitchen towel for 2 hours. Imran Sheikh ji, thank you. Got it? Okay. So we want this to mix. Okay. Now we'll also add another component here, and that is Amul Mithai meat. Okay. Just please. So actually, I'm adding 1.5 teaspoon. Now the sweetness, it all depends on your fondness. I always say desserts, I like it, desserts to be sweet, but at the same time, it should not be too sweet. So it depends. Now the next ingredient that will go in, it is the lemon zest. We will easily get this in sweet shop. Website name, Kavita ji, the name of my YouTube channel is What's Cooking in Ivy's Kitchen. Okay, so you can see. Okay, now this will add a refreshing flavor to our recipe. Yeah, you will get Amul Mithai made very easily. Nowadays, Amul parlors have opened all across the country. I feel even abroad. So it is very easily available. Cream cheese is also nowadays easily available. If you do not get cream cheese, no worries. You can add homemade fresh paneer. Okay. So here I have added. I do not like to waste. So I have added here half a cup of cream cheese. You can replace it with ricotta cheese, our dear old Indian cheese paneer, homemade, fresh. It has to be fresh. Then I have also added 1/4 cup of hunkered Amul Masti Dahi, which I have hanged for 2 hours, and from there you'll get around 300 gram. I have taken 1/4 cup. 1/2 teaspoon of Amul Mithai Mate. Ma'am, Vidyaji, it's a dessert recipe. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, now to it I'll add brown sugar. Now brown sugar, again, because please remember we are using Amul Mithai Made, so the sweetness, I always tell you, sweetness needs to be tasted. Okay, so we are adding 2 teaspoons. So we'll just whisk it and then we'll taste it. Okay, if it is not very sweet, we can always add again. Now I'll also add lemon juice. Freshly squeezed lemon juice. Oh, okay. Oh, what is it? Added what I said? What you added? Okay. Vidyaji, I added lemon zest. Now lemon zest, I'll show you what it is. It is, see, this green part. Remember, it should be only the green part. Shaluji, it is the lemon zest, the green covering of the lemon. We don't want the white because the white is bitter. The green covering of the lemon is what I have added, around 1 teaspoon, 1 to 1.5 teaspoon of lemon zest and 1 to 1.5 teaspoon of lemon juice. Is it clear now? Vidyaji, is it clear? Okay, now we'll whisk it again. Now this looks luscious and delicious. Now what I'll now do is I'll just taste the sugar. Yes, Vidyaji, the green covering of the lemon, we will not go deeper than the green covering, just the green covering on top, because the white that you can see, this is bitter in shape, in taste, sorry. No, it's not cucumber. Nimbu, इसको नींबू बोलता है. You know the lemon in northeast, we get this kind of lemon. I'm sure in the other parts of India you get the lime, the round one. You can add the zest from there. This is lemon. ये नींबू है, नींबू. Kavita ji, yes, that's what I have now told. We don't get नींबू across the other part of India. We don't get नींबू, इतना बड़े-बड़े नींबू नहीं मिलता है. जो आपका जो नींबू, छोटा नींबू, वही से हो जाएंगे. खाली आपको जेस्ट निकालना है, जस्ट खाली the top covering, gently वो निकालना है. तो ये cucumber नहीं है, ये lemon है. North East में the lemons are this big in size and it has lot of juice and flavor. कोई बात नहीं, we don't get mithai mate. Lemons. No, mithai mate is a condensed milk. You can also use other condensed milk, but you know I am in so much love with Amul products. I always use mithai mate. You can add, you can use any other kind of condensed milk. It is easily available. Okay, we not found in Gujarat. ठीक है, no problem. The नींबू जो छोटा नींबू होता है, you can add that, not an issue. Yes, we get very big size lemons here, but you can add the chota nimbu that you get. Chota ya bada, it is the flavor and the juice. you know, the refreshing taste that it adds. Okay, so now what I'll do is, we have added here cream cheese, mithai mate, then we have condensed milk, we have also added hung curd, lemon juice, lemon zest, and we have added brown sugar. I'll just taste it. Okay, I think what I'll do is, thank you Vidyaji, thank you for joining. Please do not thank me for answering your queries. I'm just adding 1 more teaspoon of brown sugar because I think, you know, I think it will taste better. So previously I added 1.5, now I'm adding 1 more. How much is it?
129.
Okay. So this is ready. Okay. Now what we'll do is, we'll get back with the mangoes. I'll show you in 2 kinds of ramekins. Sorry. So now what we'll do is, I forgot, first we have to layer it with mangoes. The quantity that I'm giving you actually will make 3 to 4 ramekins. Now it also depends on the size of the ramekin. Sorry. I'll just show you in 2. Now it also depends how much of mango you love. Okay, now that is according to your creativity. So okay, now we'll give a gentle tap. And we'll layer it one more question please. What is hung curd? Acha, what you use, what grape texture, what you just use, what grape texture? Hung curd is nothing but, it is actually yogurt. Now, we do not get yogurt here in this part of India. So what I have done is, I have taken the Amul Masti Dahi, okay, put it out in a kitchen towel and hanged it so that, you know, the liquid part, the whey part gets, is removed, and what you have is the, is the casein part. Okay, the paneer part or the curd part is there, and the liquid is washed out. It's Ramadan going on. I'm waiting for this to land. Acha, happy Ramadan, Imran ji. So this is the luscious texture that you want. The sweetness I have already told you. So is it clear, everyone? Any more queries? Okay. So tap it again. Once more. Another one. Now when you add the lemon juice, see that, you know, there is no seed in it, because seed will give a tartness, you know, it will give a bitterness to the creamy brulee. Okay, we'll just level it to, you can just see how it looks. That's why I have used a glass ka katori. Meena ji, I will definitely repeat the recipe. Cameraman, please keep it close. Okay. So this is what, the cameraman is my son. Okay. So this is now, this will go into the fridge and you need to chill it for 2 to 3 hours. Okay. So I'll put it in the fridge. It is in the fridge, not in the not in the freezer. wait for 2 to 3 hours. So what I have done is, I have already made this same way that I have shown. Okay, same way that I have shown, and now we are going to proceed, okay, with the next step. Now again we'll go back to the brown sugar. Remember, it's creamy mango brulee. So now comes the last part of it. Okay, now we'll use around 2 teaspoons of, we'll cover the surface. Okay, around 2 teaspoons. Now at the same time we'll keep the sides clean. Okay, how does it look? Just have a look. Now this will go inside the oven, or if you have a grill, that will also do, it will be perfectly fine. What we'll do is, now we'll caramelize the brown sugar layer. Okay, so that you get that caramel layer, thick caramel layer. So for that you can use the upper rod of the oven at 180 to 200 degrees centigrade for 5 minutes. Now I'm going to use my microwave, which has a grill option. So this I'll put it under the grill it will take some time in the grill, so around 7 to 8 minutes. So meanwhile, as the top, the brown sugar layer gets caramelized, I'll repeat the recipe. No problem. Yeah, my son does it well. All my Amul features are done by my son. Okay, cold dish can go in the microwave. Is it okay, ma'am? Yes, it is perfectly okay. You can put it in the microwave dish. The quality of the dish, because it's a Borosil, it is microwave safe. So when you make the ramekins also, if they are microwave safe, you can put it inside the microwave. And we are only using the grill option now, not the microwave. So you'll see a grill option. Go to that option and then click on the time. I put it for 7 to 8 minutes. Can you show the cream which you use, please? Yes. I meant the tin you use. Tin, I did not use the tin. I rather use, it's a Borosil. Oh, this one I have not put the mithai meat inside the microwave. Can you show me the cream you use, please? Yes. I have used cream cheese. It's cream cheese. You get different varieties. Delecta, you will get, this is Milky Mist. I think both are fine. It comes in 200 grams. So half a cup will be roughly around 100 grams. Ma'am, in Gujarat we made sweet dish Shrikant from, yes, it's the same. Yeah. Yes. Good. Thank you, Vidyaji. I mean the TVs. Okay, someone was asking for a recap since my it is being caramelized. What I have done is, I have cubed the I have sliced the mangoes, made cubes of it. Before that you pricked that one. This one, this is mithai meat. This is Amul mithai meat. You get it in it is condensed milk. Is it okay, Imranji? It is condensed milk. Okay. So what I did first was, I sliced the mangoes and made cubes of it. I have used 3 mangoes of medium size, and this can make a dessert serving for 4 to 5 person. That also depends on your ramekin side. So now after the mango cubes, the next that I have made is the creamy layer. For the creamy layer, I have used half a cup of cream cheese. Now if you do not have cream cheese, not an issue, you can use the fresh homemade paneer. Okay, Then or else ricotta cheese will also be fine. Okay, so I have used here half a cup of cream cheese, 1/4 cup of hung curd. Yes, hung curd. Now this hung curd I have hanged it for Amul Masti Dahi, which I have hanged it in a kitchen towel, clean kitchen towel for 2 hours, so that the liquid part, you know, is it falls off, and whatever is left from there I have taken, you will get around 250 to 300 grams from the 400 gram of Amul Masti Dahi. From there I have just taken 1/4 cup. I have also added 1.5 teaspoon of mithai made and 2.5 teaspoon of brown sugar, lemon zest, nimbu ka green part, and lemon juice. Now when you add lemon juice, see that the seeds do not fall. Then you have to just whisk it. If you have a whisk, hand mixer, fine. If you do not have, you can also use a fork or a hand whisk. Okay. So after whisking, what I have done is I have layered it over the mangoes. In a ramekin, I have taken a few of the cubed mangoes, then layered it with the cream layer. Then what you have to do is you have to chill for 2 to 3 hours. Okay. Now because I cannot chill for 2 to 3 hours, what I have done is I have already made it in the fridge, made it in advance and kept it in the fridge. Now after that, after your 2 to 3 hours is over, you just take it out and you layer it with around 1.5 to 2 teaspoon of brown sugar. Layer the top over the creamy layer, and you can put it in the oven with the upper rod. Remember, the oven has got 2 rods, upper and the lower rods. You can put it under the upper rod. Switch on the upper rod at 200 degrees centigrade for 4 to 5 minutes till the brown sugar melts. Okay. Now here I have a microwave, so I am using the grill option of the microwave, and I have put it for 7 to 8 minutes. Okay, because in the microwave it will take some time. Any other queries? Any other queries? So we'll just wait 4 more minutes left. I hope you like the recipe. Now if you think the recipe is delicious and luscious, please do not forget to share it with your friends, and also do try it. And it is Ramadan ka mahina hai, the blessed month of Ramadan. I think when we have lots of fruits, I think this also, if I'm not mistaken, you can also try it out for Ramadan, if not also for Eid. Oh, Imran ji, so don't be sorry. I'm so happy to answer your queries. That is the reason I'm here, to answer your queries, not only to show you my culinary skills, which is absolutely of no use without the queries. Thank you for giving me your time. You don't be sorry. I'm so glad you joined, and you have, you got involved with the recipe as well. Thank you so much. Meanwhile, I'll just have a look at the mango creamy brulee inside the microwave. So 3 more minutes are left. Can we put condensed instead? Yes. Actually, Kavita ji, condensed milk, mithai made is also condensed milk. Now you get condensed milk from Nestle as well, and from other different companies. You can use any, but ये तो Amul का show है, and I have used Amul products since I don't know when. So I'm fond of Amul mithai made. If not, you can use any other condensed milk. Not an issue. Kanchan ji, fantastic, thank you. No ma'am, you explained very nicely. Vidya ji, actually I am a teacher. I think my explanation, my ability to explain also comes from my profession. Actually I am a teacher by profession, but by passion I am a foodie. I love to eat and I love to cook. Rupa Bora, hello mommy, hello Rupa ji. Thank you for joining. I'm already at the last stage of the cooking process. Soon we'll start with the plating. I hope the recipe is clear. Amul, the real taste of India. I know, and hats off to Amul for doing such a great job during a pandemic crisis like this. I know, you know what I need to tell you? Let lockdown do not knock us down. That is very, very important. We should be very creative and positive during this crisis period. We should be all alert. mask on and washing of hands. We should not forget these two. Stay safe everyone. बहुत बढ़िया रेसिपी बताया आपने, जबरदस्त। आरती खानदेलकर जी धन्यवाद। आपको अच्छा लगा मेरी रेसिपी? थैंक यू सो मच। Beautifully explained, lovely gesture. Thanks to both of you. Thank you, thank you. And just hold on for some more minutes. Once the things are out, I'll get it. You can see 2 more minutes to go, but I just took it out early because of the time limit. Now this one you cool for some time. Bhava Hajarika ji, hello Hindo, thank you for joining. Now this needs to be cool, okay, for some time. Then you put it in the fridge for again 2 to 3 minutes. I hope it is clear. You have to chill the pudding for, you know, the creamy mango brulee twice. Once, the first time after layering, or you know, the 2 layers, mango and the creamy layer, you have to chill it in the fridge for 2 to 3 hours. After that, we put a layer of the brown sugar, and you know, because it's going to be damn hot now, so it's just out of the microwave under the grill, from the grill. So what you need to do is you just let it cool on its own, then you pop it inside the fridge again for 2 to 3 hours, and then it is ready to serve. So it was a very, I think it is a very, very easy recipe. Oh, Artiji, thank you for joining. Thank you. It looks great. So what we are now going to do it, because it's very, very hot now, I'll just show you. I'll just plate it and show it to you. It is very hot. Now you need to cool it, okay, and then you put it inside the fridge for 2 to 3 hours. The only thing to keep in mind about this recipe is you need to have it on the same day, okay? On the day you make it, you need to have it. So I just plate it. See, you can hear the I'll just plate it, okay, and then can you hear the noise? Oopsie. Then you can also put slices of mangoes here. How does it look? It looks beautiful, and I'm sure it's going to taste very tastes delicious too. It's luscious. Mangoes are rich in flavor and sweetness, and you know, the creamy layer is full of creaminess. So this is how my recipe comes to an end. I hope you liked it, and do try it out, and do not forget to tag me, and very importantly, do check out my YouTube channel, which is called What's Cooking in Ivy's Kitchen. And thank you for giving me your time, thank you for your encouraging words, and do stay safe. Do not forget to put on the mask and wash your hands. Stay safe, stay positive. Thank you once again. Thank you, Amol. Very well explained. We'll try to prepare it in a big dish for guests. Yes, for a higher number of people, you simply have to increase the quantity of keeping the same ratio. You just increase, you multiply the ingredients. Which other fruit you suggest to put instead of mango? Mangoes have, they're very sweet. So I think, any other fruit that is as sweet as mango, you can also use peach. You can also use apples. Not easily. Apples are easily available throughout. Just that, the color effect will not be there at that time. Aarti Khandelkar ji, thank you so much. Dhanyavad. So before I wrap up, I hope you liked my recipe. Thank you for joining and giving me your time. Thank you, Amol. Thank you everyone for joining. Thank you, Amol, once again. Do try the creamy mango brulee, and do not forget to tag me, and please do have a look out at my YouTube channel, which is called What's Cooking in Ivy's Kitchen. Until another feature, stay safe. Bye-bye. Take care. Bye-bye.